my creatives, and welcome to another video. So today I'm here to share an art journal page with you, and this art journal page is in a very cheap notebook. So first of all, I am going to stick two pages together with some gesso, and then you see I use this page as a cleanup page with some extra paints. So this was already in my notebook. I like to add extra paints just on random pages. So when I feel I want to be creative, but I feel intimidated by a white page, there is something on there. So I will take you through the process I did before I started this page. So I went through my embellishments that I received from pen pals and subscribers, and I found a tag and another piece of embellishment and another collage piece and a butterfly, which I really liked. So I liked these pieces together, and of course they had some color to them. And the green didn't really fit that, but the orange did. So I chose to work with this distress paint, aged mahogany, and just cover up the green. I use a dry brush to create the effect that you see here. I just swipe it up and down, and I'm taking some water to splatter on the distress paint because distress paint is water reactive. So if you do this and then blot it off, you get these beautiful splatters, which I really like as a texture. But once you dry distress paint, it is completely permanent, which is a fantastic thing. So this is a permanent distressed look right now. Now I'm using a Posca paint marker to create a doodly border, and I picked a silver color. So I am just doing my doodly border as I do, and I'm going to dry everything off. Then I take this Tim Holtz stencil, and I'm going to use some dilutions paint to stencil these beautiful flowers. So if you want to know what I used, everything is listed down below in the description box. And if I can find it online, there are also links. Just be aware that some of them are affiliate links and some of them are not. So because I found a tag, it's a gorgeous tag that I found before. I think you saw it in the thumbnail. It had certain colors to it, so it was very easy for me to pick my colors for my background because I took the tag as inspiration for this page. So there's a little bit of yellow in there, a bit of orange and a bit of reddish colors. And that is how I decided to use these colors today. Now I'm going to take this stamp set and I'm going to do some white stamping. It is something that I should do more often because I absolutely love the look, but I often forget that I have a white ink pad. So I really enjoyed this, and I'm going to dry this off as well. So here you see a couple of the pieces that I found because I wanted to test out if I would like it, if I would outline it with black, but I didn't. So lucky for me, I did this underneath the place that I wanted to add my collage. So you don't see it anymore. So that's a little trick for you. If you want to test something out and you already know where you want to put something, just try it under there. And if you don't like it, you can cover it up, and it's very easy. So these four pieces are all pieces that I received in mail from pen pals or subscribers, and I thought it was fun to use it on this page because they also matched with each other with the color they had. And now I'm taking some tracing paper to layer up behind the tag to create some more texture. I absolutely love transparency at the moment, or semi-transparent. I don't know what it is. I absolutely love it. It gives me a very good feeling. So I am using that as a collage. It's because it breaks it down a little bit, but you can still see the background through it. I think that's the part that I absolutely love about it. So I just ripped up these pieces, and I also ripped up the wood grain part because it was stamped on just a piece of craft cardstock to make it look more natural. And I'm going to stick everything down in my embellishment cluster, and I'm going to stick that down to my page. So this is a very quick art journal page, also to show you that you don't have to spend hours on your art journal project to create something, and also to share with you what I do with my cleanup pages. So you will never see that this was a cleanup page after I am done. The only thing that there was already some orange paint and some green paint, and now it just looks like a fresh art journal page, but it wasn't, and it really helped me to get back into it. I even texted a friend of mine to ask, is this too simple for me, because I'm quite happy with it. But is it too simple? And he was like, I love it, just keep it like this. So I'm going to add some of the silver dots, which I like to do at the moment, to create some more texture and depth, and also to put the silver back in, which I used for the doodly border. And then that's that. So this art journal page is just called Justice and Equality because of that beautiful stamp there. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!